out to stop and have a look and think, oh, do I really need to make a change, when we're still busy making orders and making money? So I think the first thing to do is to recognize that you need to make that change. And we at Dassault Systemes, we have a group of experts who can come and help people in partnership to look at what value digital transformation can make to them. The challenge that our manufacturing customers have is that they have to continue making money, delivering the orders and getting the revenues in. So taking time out to stop and have a look can always be difficult. But one of the ways that we're starting to advocate is the use of what we call the 3D experience twin. In the 3D experience twin, you create a virtual universe of what your manufacturing environment is going to look like. And this models not just only the geometric properties of your manufacturing environment, but also look at how and why that process is being developed. What processes can we use? And so if you can create this 3D experience twin that allows you to realistically model the universe that you're working in, then you can start to have a look at what ifs. Since in the 3D experience platform we've created a virtual universe that allows the manufacturing organizations to simulate how their manufacturing processes are going to work. If we can then take that one stage further and take that virtual process plan and look at how we can create the manufacturing instructions. These are digital instructions that can be representing how that product is put together, and we can put that on the shop floor. This will allow our customers to be able to show the production workforce exactly how things are put together, how the product is put together. By the visual nature of that, the ability to be able to see how things are put together is so very, very powerful. And the ability to be able to generate these work instructions is important. We look at our customers and we see that the first time they generate digital work instructions, they may well save 30% of the time spent creating those in a paper-based format. But subsequently, they can save up to 80% of the time generating these digitally as opposed to generating these in a paper form. But the other thing is that we've got these as a record and they can then look at them in the future. So if there's a change made to a part, it can instantly make those changes to the work instructions. So the downstream effects of visual process planning to generate the manufacturing work instructions is an extremely important benefit, and one that we see huge advantages for those customers that have adopted it in its entirety. Almost certainly it will. I think design engineers will be looking forward to the freedom that these new technologies will give them. The new advances in the digital creation and the ability to be able to transfer 3D models to such technologies as 3D printing will free up the design engineer and will give them a freedom that they haven't had before. But with that freedom will also come constraints, and that they're going to have to understand how the new materials and how the new manufacturing technologies are going to be impacting their designs. If we take something such as 3D printing, the ability to be able to create a 3D model, create a manufacturing process, is going to be as much governed by what the product looks like in its finished form, and we have to take that into account. So the design engineer is going to have to understand the material and how that material will work within the manufacturing process as much as within the finished product.